Hi, I'm Jay. If you've determined that the power head on your dynamic air cleaner is faulty, it's simple to replace. Here's how. First thing you want to do is straighten the electrode. So we're going to reach in here with a pair of needle nose pliers and straighten it. There we go. All right, now we pry the plastic frame apart just a bit. And gently pull the power head out of place. All right, there's the old power head. We're going to get rid of this. And we're going to take our new power head and install it. We're going to leave this attached. This has to go inside the air cleaner, and we're going to trim it a little bit later, but we need to make sure this wire comes with us. Okay, this little ground wire here is important. So we're going to insert this in the existing hole. There's our ground. Here we go. Okay, pry this apart just a bit. All right. It's in the position. Okay, now, first thing we want to do is, this needs to be cut, so we're going to trim this off. Okay, we want to trim it off just past this frame, so it's sticking into the frame, and it needs to short out against the frame assembly. All right, now we're going to get that nice and straight, and we're going to bend this so it sticks up in the air 3/4 of an inch from this screen. So I'm going to reach in there and grab it with a pair of pliers like this. And put a bend on it. Now, if I've done this right, from the back side to the front, it's 3/4 of an inch. And that's what it takes to replace a power head.